Can Lolly treat patients? Hi, this is Mark, and this is English Conversation Practice Occupations, video 24 from the series. So be sure to see all the videos in the series. Okay, great. Let's start. Occupations. She is a nurse. She is a nurse. He is a dancer. He is a dancer. He is an astronaut. He is an astronaut. She is a flight attendant. He is a bartender. He is a bartender. She is a barista. She is a barista. She is a florist. She is a florist. She is a jeweler. She is a jeweler. He is a butcher. He is a butcher. She is a librarian. She is a librarian. Can they? Can she treat patients? Can he stretch? Can he explore space? Can she serve passengers? Can he mix drinks? Can she make coffee? Can she arrange flowers? Can she set stones? Can he use a knife? Can she identify books? Conversation. Can Lolly treat patients? Of course she can. She is a nurse. Can John stretch? Of course he can. He's a dancer. Can Robert explore space? Of course he can. He is an astronaut. Can Liz serve passengers? Of course she can. She is a flight attendant. Can Steve mix drinks? Of course he can. He is a bartender. Can Lucy make coffee? Of course she can. She is a barista. Can Betty arrange flowers? Of course she can. She is a florist. Can Jen set stones? Of course she can. She is a jeweler. Can Bob use a knife? Of course he can. He is a butcher. Can Jill identify books? Of course she can. She is a librarian. Okay, great job. Yes, and please don't forget to subscribe, and please ring that bell to get all of my videos, and please join the channel. That would be fantastic. And for worksheets and flashcards, please check out my website, markkulek.com. Okay, thanks so much. I will see you next time. Take it easy. Bye.